Hi guys! So I am Tiwa Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film beauty DIYs, first impressions, views. If you like these kind of videos, feel free to subscribe and like this video and we will be friends. So this is my first video of 2018 and this is going to be a little bit different of a video because I got a mystery package. It's ginormous. A mystery box, says Fragile, from my wonderful friend and friends. I honestly have no idea what's in this box. I don't know why it's this fragile. It could have a dog in it. Camille, did you get me a dog? Because I would love you forever. My friends said they would like me to open this on camera, so friends, this is for you. I will get to opening this box. Hopefully I don't damage the puppy that's in here because I know there's a dog in here, Camille. There's a dog in this box. Okay, mystery box. These scissors really suck. Like literally, I have been trying to cut this tape. Camille, what kind of magic tape did you use on this box? Because it's not cutting. Why can't I open this box? Ah! Yes, my Christmas tree is still up. You can see my bed. I don't care. First. Oh, that was way heavier than what I thought that was. Honestly, I literally can see it and I thought it was a scarf and I'm struggling to pick it up. Why can't I pick up any? Oh my gosh, why? Okay. So we'll put that scarf and leave the scarf there and just... Oh, is this what was Fragile? Because I'm sorry. So this says my name. You guys didn't know, my name is Jacqueline, spelled like Jacqueline Hill, but I go by Jackie now. I used to really hate that nickname, but I've grown to love it. Also, can I just point out that every year Camille gives me a present and it's wrapped like beautifully. I don't think you guys can see on camera, but the detail of this, I'm so awkward opening gifts, honestly. Oh my goodness. Camille, how did you know that I wanted another mug? Because I just got a Keurig machine from my really good friend that I made here. She gave me her old one and I have no mugs here really, and I've just been mug shopping and my favorite candy's in there. This is so cute, thank you. It's like backwards in the viewfinder, but I'm pretty sure it's regular way when you guys watch this, but it has a J on it. It's not backwards, it's frontwards. This is so cute, thank you so much. If you guys didn't know, my favorite candy is Reese's. Reese's, I say it weird, but I love them. Oh, there's some green tea Kit Kats in here. If you guys have never had green tea Kit Kats, y'all missing out. These are bomb. I probably am gonna eat them now because period problems. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it everywhere. Don't tell my boyfriend. Also, I have a hole in my pants. I just discovered that. That's cool. And I was walking around all day in these. What is this? This is so cute. This is so me. This matches my shirt. Ah, more candy. Thanks for the candy. You are supplying my period needs today. Oh, more candy. This is the Haribo Sour Gold Bears. Also, fun fact, my favorite gummy bears are the Haribo Gold Bears. Sour, non-sour. We also had this crazy night at Target one time with these and we got yelled at for trying to hula hoop and everything like that. So, sorry Target. Wow, this is so cute. I need one of these. These pom-pom hats are so in right now. My hair is just a wreck right now and it's just probably everywhere up my nose. This is so cute. Also, packing peanuts, my favorite. Fun fact number 50 in this video is these packing peanuts. I used to think they reminded me of Cheetos. Does anybody else think these look like Cheeto Puffs? We'll try to open up this heavy scarf. This says, oh, from Kristen. I'm so confused. Oh my God, it's a mermaid blanket and something else in here. I'm very confused. I'm amazed and confused. I don't know what life, wow, what is this? I'm going to wear this blanket today though, guys. I got a mermaid blanket. My dreams have come true. My armpits are sweating probably, you can see them. Ow. Wow. My friends are the best. I'll open up this large package. Wow, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's made in Turkey. Hey guys, it is a mermaid bowl. A mermaid freaking bowl. I am going to put apples in here. If I bought apples, because I can't buy produce here because produce sucks. But this is beautiful. Like, you guys can't even tell. This is like made out of real mermaid, guys. And I'm not trying to be weird. This literally looks like it was made from a mermaid's tail, but no mermaids were harmed in the making of this bowl made in Turkey. This was like hand poured, guys. I took an art class. Fun fact number 1000, I am an art major and I took a metal pouring class. It was the hardest thing of my life. This is so cool. Why do I have so many gifts in here, guys? We just did one person gift exchange. I'm so confused. What is this? Book of Masks from Dr. Jart. Whoa. This is a book of masks, people. Look at this. I cannot even, this is so cool. Why do I have cards in here, friends? Oh my gosh. Why, people, why? They all have, wait. Why? What is happening? Oh, this is so cute. Oh. Guys, I'm on my period. You can't do this to me. I'm going to cry. These are all cards from my friends. Puppies. I knew there was puppies in this box. Feels like a puffy card. This has a cool design. Did you guys all pick out these cards? This is the best thing of my life. Who drew on this one? Eliza! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, Eliza! I love you! Okay, so here, this is gonna be a video full of fun facts. So, I have been meaning, Eliza, I have been meaning to buy this pin. Don't think I wasn't gonna buy stuff from your store. I will link my friend's store in the description box below. My friend, I was an art major. I'm a loser art major. My friend is like a legit artist and she made this pin and I have been trying to buy this pin and then I just keep getting sidetracked. But oh my gosh, Eliza, my friend made this pin. Look how cool this pin is. Oh my god. My friend says to bring back food boxes. She likes my snack reviews. Oh my gosh, Kayla! Oh, this is so sad, but nice. Oh, I am not crying. This is so sad. This is so nice. This is the best gift ever. Oh my gosh. And then I have this box in here. I kind of already know what this box is. This is my name, guys. Ah! Even though I already know what it is and I'm not really acting surprised, like I'm really surprised. So my friend is getting married, but I have known Katrina since kindergarten. And I honestly, to be honest, I can't even remember how we became friends. Maybe Katrina can remember. She's getting married and she just asked me to be her bridesmaid. And oh my gosh, I got a wine glass because I'm gonna need this and I'm gonna wear this robe. Katrina, am I supposed to bring this back with me for your bachelorette and your wedding day? Because you gotta remind me because I'm gonna wear this thing every day in my videos. I'm a bridesmaid, guys. My friend Kristen got married too and I didn't get to go to her wedding because I'm trapped. I'm just kidding, but I didn't get to go to her wedding, so I'm so sad. But her wedding was beautiful and my friends FaceTimed me during it and I legit was crying. So Kristen, if you didn't know that, I saw you walk down the aisle and I legit cried. That was so nice. That was such a nice gift. This is better than any PR package that anyone has gotten. So I beat all of you YouTubers in 2018 already for your PR packages because I have, I'm trying to think of a cool name. BFF packages. I have hair all over my mouth. You guys, I don't deserve my friends. Literally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of like a personal unboxing for me. I'm sure you guys didn't get like all the references if I said a lot of stuff. I feel like I rambled a lot in this. I still have this mermaid blanket on me, But if you guys like unboxing videos, I will bring back more food videos because my friend likes them. I'm shaking the camera a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I also look like trash today. This big... My boyfriend said he just got shot. Thing of my life. Where's my phone? I need to text my friends. I eat a Reese's first. Where is my phone? Oh my god, I'm recording still. Okay. But for real, where's my phone?